Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a special friend on my phone on speakerphone, my friend Darren Cates from Oklahoma. He went to say hi and introduce what we're having in our video tonight, what we're making. You want to say hi to everybody, Darren?
Hello everyone, we're making hamburger gravy.
There you go. Alright Darren, sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and let's get cooking. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in my cast iron skillet. I have it preheated and I have a pound of ground beef. I'm going to get that in there and brown it up. And real quick guys, I wanted to tell you about Darren. Darren's my buddy from Oklahoma. He's been watching my channel faithfully for 3 or 4 years. He's a really great guy. And he went to get in on the action. He'd like to appear personally in the video, but he lives halfway across the country, so that's not possible at this moment. So I'm going to start by getting this ground beef in here. And guys, this ground beef masher, the Dollar Tree, $1. That's really inexpensive. And I've been wanting to get one. Now this hamburger gravy, I've heard of it recently, but I've never made it. And up until recently, I've never heard of it. I'm thinking, well, you know, growing up in Pennsylvania here and cooking comfort food, home cooking, you'd think I would have heard of it or would have made it. So we're going to give it a try. So I'm going to get my ground beef all broke up, all browned up, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright, now that my ground beef is about halfway browned up, and Dexter's all wound up today, guys, I'm going to add in 1 medium onion I diced up. We're going to get that in there. I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt. Now guys, you could season your hamburger gravy any way you like. I'm just keeping mine simple. And I'm going to add in a little bit of granulated garlic. That's if everything doesn't fall out of the cupboard when I'm getting this out. I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. I'm going to allow this to finish browning and allow my onions to soften up and turn translucent. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up and my onions are softened up, I'm going to add in some beef broth. Now I'm going to add in 4 cups. I have 2 containers because this one has 2 cups and I have to use up. And you know what guys, I might just be going with 2 or 3 cups because I don't know if this is going to hold 4 cups. We're going to do about 3 cups of beef broth, guys. Now I'm going to turn my heat up to bring this up to a gentle boil. And I'm just going to stir. You want to get the little bits off the bottom of the pan because that's where flavor is. Scrape them up as you stir. Now a lot of people when they make this, they use like a flour roux or just sprinkle flour in. I'm just going to add in a flour water slurry. What it is, it's pretty much 1 part flour, 1 part water. I'd say probably about a cup of flour and about a cup of water. So let me turn that up a little bit and get my flour slurry here. Stir that in there. Now we're not going to use all of this, guys. We don't want this tasting like raw flour. Just want to stir in your flour till it looks about right. Now I'll taste this for seasoning. Might have to add a little more salt to it. Alright guys, I'm going to leave that right there, and as it starts to boil it'll thicken up. Alright guys, my hamburger gravy is all nice and thickened up and ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I just went ahead and made some buttered asparagus to go with this, and I'm serving it over mashed potatoes, but this would also be great over pasta, biscuits, or even rice. You guys who know me know how much I love my mashed potatoes. Let me get in here and give this a try. It's really good, guys. The hamburger's tender. Gravy's well seasoned. Has that good beef flavor from the ground beef and from the beef broth I put in there. It was really quick, easy, and it's delicious. So there you have it. Hamburger gravy. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.